start. So this is SOC L1 position, which is for freshers. As I told you, L1 is freshers, L2 is mid, and L3 is basically experience. So this is what you need to do. It's a Bangalore based job, work from office, 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and this is mail ID where you need to drop your mail, right? And along with the mail, in subject you have to write down for what position you're applying, and total number of experience you have to enter in the body part, whatever salary you are getting, expected salary, and what is the notice period you are going to serve, right, if you are going to leave. And if you don't working right now and if you have experience, then all this thing will not be required, but write whatever experience you had in previous days or whatever salaries you were getting, right? So that's what which is required. Next is again same company. Okay, just check it out. I just posted it once again. Next is Ojas Cybersecurity. They are hiring for VAPT person. Okay, who should have 1 to 2 years of experience, and they have to work in Mumbai. Tilpa.e@osas.com is the mail ID. You should have knowledge about web application pen testing, OWASP standards, and mobile application pen testing, web, and good communication skills for even cybersecurity is very much important. Next is Securism is a company where they are looking for L1 SOC analyst. Okay, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Wazoo आना चाहिए Pakistan का, just leave it out. Secures, okay, secures. This is the mail ID. They want one red teamer, one pen tester, and one cybersecurity intern. So those who are looking for internship as a freshers, or those who have knowledge about red teaming, okay, and looking for a job, then this is good to go. Just drop your resume on the same this mail ID, right? As you can write on the heading like for what position you're looking for. That's what we can do. Next is at Sinclair. Okay, they are looking for SOC, those who should have 2 to 3 years of experience. A senior security analyst, 3 to 5 years experience. GRC consultant, 2 to 3 years of experience. And this is something project coordinator. We should be an intern or something who are freshers, right? So they can join. GRC intern is something someone was asking. Mobin was asking in the previous chat live show. So this is actually governance, risk, and compliances. Okay, so this is something little non-tech job which is supposed to be a tech, and you need to do some checklist and all those stuff. You need to work on the ground or something. So that's what exactly GRC means. I've created a video on the same. You can check out on VIH group YouTube channel about what exactly GRC and how to get a job in GRC and do all those things. The location is Andheri West. Andheri East, sorry, Andheri West is the place where VIH is having their office, the phenomenal place. And this is what immediate joining is what they're looking for. And subject line, you have to add what exactly position you are looking for, right? And this is the mail ID, two mail ID. You can put both in CC or whatever you want. If you get selected, they will just revert on the same mail ID. Now the next company is Computronics. Okay, they are looking for network security profile. Okay, the location in Naroli, Navi Mumbai is the location. So they're looking for someone with Netscope Proxy L2, Netscope VPN L1 L2, AirCos PIM PAM L2 engineering, web application firewall for L1 L2. So L1 is freshers, right? And L2 is for medium people. So that what exactly they are looking for. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume along with, if you want any assistant anything, you can just ask them, you can call them, you can drop a message on the WhatsApp, and if you have any query you can ask from them actually. This is the contact number of Mehak Sunhare, I guess. So do accordingly. All right guys, that's all for today.